Hi, this is Steve. Welcome back to my channel, Scale Model Kit Review, and I am back with the Build the Ghostbusters Ecto-1 by FanHome, and I'm so glad FanHome has brought this back to us. This time I am working on issue 16, or pack 16, stages 55 through 58. I'll be working again on the interior. If you haven't done so already, head over to FanHome and subscribe to this car today. You can start all the way from pack 1. So without further ado, let's get started. Welcome back to issue 16, or pack 16 of Build the Ghostbusters Ecto-1 by FanHome. Remember, this is only available by FanHome. Let's look at the magazine here real quick. I'll go through the instructions as we go through this video. Great articles here, great photography. And there you have it. Let's look at the parts. Stage 55. Looks like we work on a radio there. Stage 56. Work on one of the chairs. Stage 57. Again on the chair. And lastly, stage 58. Another component inside of the car. Let's get started on stage 55. Let's start with stage 55. Here's a listing of the parts for stage 55. The radio and handset. And this is what it will look like. Install that on the interior. The handset with wire. Here's parts for 55. I'll take these out. We'll get a closer look. Here's a close-up of those parts. Everything here is plastic. This would be the main body of the radio, the top of the radio there, the handset, the wire, and DB screws. Assemble the radio first, and you can see that inserts there, and there's a specific spot for it. Just like that. That's what that looks like. DP screw goes into this. That's good there. Bring over the chassis, and this is going to go down. There's an alignment pin there. It's going to go down right on top. 2 screws from the bottom get installed. DP screws. And that's what that looks there. Looks great. Now let's assemble the handset. Handset, we put the larger one on top here. That just snaps in place there. And then the bottom one snaps into that. Then we'll go ahead and put our cord on it. That's what that looks like there. Now we'll go ahead and install this. We'll plug the cord in first. That's what that looks like there. Bring the handset over. We'll plug that in right on the bottom, just like that. That's what that looks like there. And that completes stage 55. Let's head over and do stage 56. Let's get started on stage 56. 56, I received the parts for the jump seat, including the support. There's those parts. There's the listing. And this will be the second jump seat. Very simple there. Once again, put the support on it. And that's what it will look like. Let me get the parts, so I'll be right back. Here's parts for stage 56. I'll take these out and get a closer look. Here's a close-up of the parts. Everything here is plastic, and the seat does have the cushion built into it already. Everything here is dealing with the seat, EP and MP screws. Alright, we'll go ahead and put the cover on the bottom of the seat here, and that only goes down one way, just like that. And we need to put those rubber grommets around it. There we go. Okay, that's how that looks there. MP screws go into this, 4 of them. Last one. And that's how that looks there. Next we'll put this on top of the base here, and that just slides in like that. EP screws go into this. 4 screws total. Just till they're snug, not too tight. And that's what that looks like there. Next we put on the bracket, and that goes like that. EP screw goes into it. I'm going to put it in the bracket first and line it up. And the last one. Need to tighten them both down. And that completes stage 56. Let's head over and do stage 57. Let's build stage 57 and receive the final parts for the jump seat. And once again, more parts for the jump seat. This is the second one we built. That would be the seat back, it looks like. Then we're going to mount that onto the chassis. Let me get the parts, I'll be right back. Here's parts for stage 57. I'll go ahead and take these out. We'll get a closer look. Here's a close-up of the parts, and here's the seat back. It does have the foam cushion, the bottom and the back plate, MP, EP, and IP screws. And just like before, we need to put this bottom on the seat cushion. Get everything looped around it there. That's what it should look like. MP screws go into this. And that's how that looks there. Next we mount this onto the seat back. It goes like that. 4 EP screws go into this. And the last one. That's what that looks like there. This gets mounted right there. 2 holes for that. I'm going to run my screw through the plate first. Put the chair up against it. There we go. There's the seat back. Very cool. We're going to mount that to the interior. And the next thing we do is we put this plate on top of that. And then this is going to mount right there where those 3 holes are. Put that down on that. And the last one. All 3 screws are in. And that's what that chair should look like. That completes stage 57. Let's get started on the last stage for this pack, stage 58. Let's look at the final stage for issue 16, stage 58. Stage 58, I received the power control unit and the power distribution unit. These are the parts. And we'll assemble the power control unit and the power distribution unit base. That's what that looks like there. And there. Let me get the parts, I'll be right back. Here's the parts for stage 58. I'll take these out, we'll get a closer look. Here's a close-up of the parts. Everything is plastic here. IP and KP screws. First thing I'm going to do is assemble the power control unit, and these are the cylinders for that, and this goes together like that. And last one. That's how that looks there. Next I assemble the unit top and body, and just snaps together here, press fit. There we go. That's how that looks. Then the unit there goes like that. Then the other side like that. Take this side piece. That goes down on that. Make sure everything goes together. Once again, KP screws go into this. Go ahead and do the other side. Everything fits together there. 3 more KP screws. Great. That's how that all looks. Now we're going to mount that on its little base here. Bring this over. We need to identify what is what. So it looks like it's going to mount to this area here. So I'm going to line it up. And there is an alignment tab that this lines to. And now the larger IP screws go into this. That's good there. That's what that looks like. It looks great. So that completes stage 58. I'll be right back. And that completes pack 16 or issue 16 for the Ghostbusters Ecto-1. I'm having a blast building this. If you would like to build this on your own, head over to FanHome and start your subscription all the way from pack 1. I'd like to thank everybody who subscribes to my channel. And if you like my content, please subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Happy modeling, everybody, and take care.